Indiana, East Central Lake County in northwestern Indiana until 9 p.m. At 8:04 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Winfield, or near Merrillville, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicator. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chesterton, Boone Grove, Winfield, Portage, South Haven, Valparaiso, Town of Pines, Beverly Shores, Burns Harbor, Merrillville, Ogden Dunes, Hobart, Hebron, Porter, Dune Acres, Malden, Wheeler, Lakes of the Four Seasons, Lake Station, and Crown Point. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.